Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with an update to the Day 1 severe weather outlook. There are big and minor changes with the Day 1 outlook, so let's get right to it. So first off, the XPC as of the midday update has added an enhanced risk for severe weather today, which covers portions of central Kansas. Alright, and the slight has been expanded slightly southward to include more of western Oklahoma, as well as a little bit of Texas with the slight, so. But otherwise, the margin remains the same. Alright. Cities today's enhanced include Salina, Kansas, Hutchinson, Kansas, Hayes, Kansas, Newton, Kansas, and Great Bend, Kansas. For the enhanced. The slight today covers Wichita, Kansas, Rapid City, South Dakota, Enid, Oklahoma, Manhattan, Kansas, and Grand Island, Nebraska. And the marginal today includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Lincoln, Nebraska. So, let's see what individual threats have changed. So, there's 2% tornado risk. The 2% tornado risk remains the same for a large part anyway. But the XPC has also added a 5% tornado risk area for today, which covers northeastern Colorado, parts of Nebraska, and north central Kansas. And there still remains a black dashed area, but the black dashed area has been expanded northwestward to include some more areas. So the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for tornadoes to reach or exceed EF1. Alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for tornadoes to reach or exceed EF1. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly EF0 tornadoes. Okay? Cities in the black dashed area today include Wichita, Kansas, Salina, Kansas, Hutchinson, Kansas, Kearney, Nebraska, and North Platte, Nebraska. The 5% tornado risk area today includes North Platte, Nebraska, Hayes, Kansas, and Lexington, Nebraska. And the 2% today includes Wichita, Kansas, Enid, Oklahoma, Salina, Kansas, Hutchinson, Kansas, and Kearney, Nebraska. Now for the wind threat for today, the wind threat for a large part remains the same, largely. Except that at the midday update, the XPC has added a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts reaching the black dash the red area, 30% wind risk area in the red, alright, which covers central Kansas for that 30% wind risk area, alright. The 15% and 5% wind risk areas otherwise remain largely the same. And there still remains a black dashed area here, the black dash meaning the highest potential for thunderstorm wind gusts to reach or exceed 74 miles per hour today, alright, and areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 60 to 70. So, yeah. Cities in the black dashed area today include Wichita, Kansas, Enid, Oklahoma, Salina, Kansas, Hutchinson, Kansas, and Kearney, Nebraska. The 30% wind risk area today includes Salina, Kansas, Hutchinson, Kansas, Hayes, Kansas, Newton, Kansas, and Great Bend, Kansas. The 15% wind risk today includes Wichita, Kansas, Rapid City, South Dakota, Enid, Oklahoma, Manhattan, Kansas, and Grand Island, Nebraska. The 5% today includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Lincoln, Nebraska. And now for the hail threat. The hail threat remains largely the same. Alright? One minor change to the hail risk was to expand the 15% hail risk to include parts of western Oklahoma and north central Texas, in addition to including areas further north earlier. So, earlier the 15% hail risk was mainly confined to a little bit of Wyoming, parts of South Dakota, Nebraska, northeast Colorado, central Kansas, and north central Oklahoma. But it got expanded slightly. Really? Oh, come on. The 15% hail risk got slightly expanded southward, with the midday update. And the storm range of 5% hail risk in areas in the brown. That is not changed. So, the black dashed area for hail today include Wichita, Kansas, Salina, Kansas, Hutchinson, Kansas, Kearney, Nebraska, and Dodge City, Kansas. The 50% hail risk today includes Wichita, Kansas, Rapid City, South Dakota, Enid, Oklahoma, Salina, Kansas, and Hutchinson, Kansas. And finally, the 5% hail risk today includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Little Rock, Arkansas. So, in summary, severe thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and evening over the central Great Plains. The stronger thunderstorms will potentially be capable of severe gusts, large hail, and a couple of tornadoes. So, that's the update I wanted to give. So, those are the updates that were needed to be addressed. So, yeah, there were some minor changes with the midday update from the SPC. So, had to address that. So, anyway, stay safe and infect your today. Stay safe and infect your today. Alright, stay safe in the infected areas today. Sorry, I had a hard time speaking clearly. Stay safe today, no matter what risk you're in, and I'll have my day 2 severe weather outlook once it's updated. Take care.